Hello. Today we're going to be cooking again in the kitchen. I guess where else would you cook? And we're going to cook something different. We're going to cook pumpkin sauce. Where would I get a pumpkin now that it's like March? Well, I bought an extra pumpkin in October that I would use for cooking purposes. I carved it up, got the meat off of it, used the seeds. I baked the seeds and made pumpkin seeds out of them. They were pretty good. And then I was left with the pumpkin meat, which I froze over the winter. And here it is. Pumpkin meat frozen. And I just go and put a few pieces here. There. I put it into a dish or a saucepan here with some water. And the next step is to take this pumpkin meat that I had carved in October, and I'm going to put it on the stove, and we're going to set it on high and get it boiling. It'll take a little while to get it boiling because it's very cold. Once it's boiling, we'll count off 20 minutes, and then we'll drain off the water and we can go to the next step of the process. So, I'll give you a quick peek of how it looks in the pan. Hang on. There is the pumpkin cooking in the saucepan. It's going to take a while for that water to get to boiling. So just bear with us. We'll be right back. But at this point, as it's boiling, we need to come up with some other flavors other than just plain old pumpkin, which can be pretty bland. You can sweeten it if you wish. The key to me, though, is spices. Let's come over here to my little spice rack, and we have nutmeg, cinnamon, something called pumpkin spice, which has cloves and that mixed in with it. And then for an extra interesting thing, I'm going to try putting a little bit of anise in it, anise seeds. Now, I'm not going to put them in as regular seeds. I'm going to grind them up in my little grinding dish. And that will take care of that. And we add a little bit of the spice and mash it into there. Or you could just use a spoon and stir it. Oh, it is done now. Let's just test it a little bit. Yep, that's it. It's done. Now I'm going to just put this into a Tupperware, and it'll be set. It'll be our special pumpkin sauce. And how does it go on a piece of bread? Piece of bread, pumpkin sauce. Take some out. And spread. Spreadable pumpkin. Your jack-o'-lantern comes home to roost. Actually, I had a different pumpkin for the jack-o'-lantern because I wanted to be artistic with it. And this one, well, I was artistic in a different way. It becomes food, which it can be. That's what they were meant to be. There you go. Pumpkin on the bread. Let's give it a try. Good. Pretty good. Be seeing you.